In commercial real estate, a cold gray shell space refers to a space that typically does not even have the needed HVAC units in place, whether that's on the roof or outside. In addition to not having the HVAC units in place, there will not be any duct work and sometimes will not even have an electrical panel in place either. A warm vanilla shell space refers to any building or rentable area that has been minimally fitted out with basic services such as the ceiling, whether it be a drop ceiling or drywall, lighting, plumbing, the HVAC is in place, and is typically ready to be leased out to a tenant. This does include the drywall on exterior walls, the grid or drywall ceiling with lighting installed. In this state, HVAC is generally distributed and may also include built-out restrooms with running water, sewer, plumbing, and other fixtures. This type of space may also include some level of tenant finish. A broker would need to be aware of their client's requirements that are unique to their practice. For example, a healthcare client will need specific plumbing different from a general commercial space that may have to be updated from what the landlord has recently installed. Any update like that would affect the concrete floor, placing a financial burden on the landlord and ultimately your client. As a broker or a tenant, it is important to know the state your space is in before you sign a lease in order to accurately negotiate terms with the landlord.